My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. So today I am just going to show you a haul. The Walmart stuff I got yesterday. The Five Below stuff I got about a week ago. And the Platinum Skincare stuff I got about a few weeks ago. So I am going to start off with the Walmart haul. So this is what I got yesterday. It's in here, and well, let me show you this first. I didn't put these back in the bag, but I went into the kids section, and I've been wanting some faux Uggs. I can't afford the real Uggs, so I've already got a pair of tan ones like this, and I've been looking for black ones. And yesterday they were putting out the winter stuff, so I went ahead and grabbed some. And they only had them in the kids section, and they actually fit. Size 4 fits me. So I got these. I think they were like $15. And then I got Petrova some cute little dress shoes for the Kingdom Hall. She only has white ones, so I've been keeping my eye out for some black ones. And now that winter is coming, fall and winter, they finally put out the black ones. So I got these in size 6 for Petrova. So yay, there's that. And then I bought some batteries. Always need batteries. These are the AA batteries. And oh, and I bought Finesse some earrings. She got all these hoops right here for $4.88. Let me see, how many pair are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of hoops. Wow, that's a good deal. I wanted to get a pair for me, get a set of these for me too, but I already bought myself some gold hoops, but I like hers better. I might buy hers for me too. So I got that for Finesse. And then I bought Finesse and I both some facial wipes. This came in a bundle of 2, but I already gave her hers. So yeah, this is the brand that I use. It's just Equate, and I get the exfoliating ones. It's with cucumber, aloe, and green tea. But I like these because I like the exfoliating ones because on one side there's bumps where it kind of exfoliates your face. The other side is smooth. So I usually start off with the bumpy side so that it helps to get all my makeup off, and then I finish with the smooth side. So I got more of those. And this is what I actually went there for, was for hairspray. I don't usually buy the aerosol kind because I know it's not really good for the environment, but it was $1.90 something. I usually use the spray kind, but this is 24-hour extreme hold. It says glue your style. And it's 2-time hold, 3-time hold, 4-time, or 5, and I got the 5, the extreme hold. So I got that for like $1.90 something. And then I've never tried dry shampoo ever. But I don't have oily hair, so I usually don't need it. But then there are those times where maybe you put product in your hair and it just feels, I don't know, like it's dirty or whatever, and it's not really time for me to wash my hair yet. I don't like to wash it too often because I don't want to dry it out. So I bought this. It's Not Your Mother's. It's the brand, Not Your Mother's. Plump for Joy, and it's orange mango. And I just used some just because I wanted to see what it felt like, and it smells so good. So I got some of that. This was like $3, $3.90 something, so almost $4. So that's my Walmart haul. And then, and of course, I'm wearing my hair extensions today. I haven't worn them in a really long time. I miss this. This is how long my hair was before I cut it. So I really miss my long hair. I can't wait for it to get this long again. I was thinking about, because I dyed my hair extensions that were silver. I bought them silver. I dyed half of them in this color and left the other half in the silver that they came in, because you get 2 wefts of each clip. You get two clip wefts, you get 2 3 clip wefts, and so on. So I dyed half of them this color and left the other half silver. I've been thinking about maybe doing a video. I haven't even tried it first. I should try it first before I make the video, but nah, why do that? We'll just be surprised together. I was thinking of trying both the black and the silver in my hair to see what it would look like. Would it look like silver highlights, or would it just look like a hot mess? I don't know. That might be a future video. Let me know if you'd like to see that. Okay, so from Five Below, I got a lot more stuff than what is in here. Oh, I got that stool over there. I should have brought that. So this is what I got from Five Below. I know you guys always see me holding up when I can't read what products are or what they say. I'm always holding up this old magnifying glass. Well, I got one at Five Below, and you see it lights up. So that's really cool. If I can't see and if it's dark, I can just do this. And I can even use this like for reading at nighttime so I don't bother Adam. But yeah, this is so awesome. This was at Five Below. And what else? Oh, I got Paris an outfit. It says Queen Bee. Should we try it on you, Paris? Huh? Should we try it on you? Let's try it on you. Yeah, let's do that. Do you want to see your outfit? See, she loves her. She loves outfits. She really does. People think that it's abuse to animals to dress them. They're not people, so don't put clothes on them. But she actually really likes it. Do you like that? And she knows what it is, so it's not like she's acting interested because she doesn't know what it is. She really does. There were times where I would dress my other dogs and I hadn't dressed her yet, and she's jumping around like, where's mine? Where's mine? Let's see what this looks like on you, Paris. Oh my goodness, you look so cute. Yes, you do. Let's show everyone how cute you are. Look at that. That's so cute. She's the queen bee. Yes, she is. I also got Paris this. So when we're in the car or taking little day trips or something, I got her this little expandable little water bowl. And it says fur baby, and that's so cute because that's what I call my, well, I only have one pet now, but that's what I used to call all my dogs, was my fur babies. So yeah, that's really cute. So I got that at Five Below. And I also got this right here. This seems really interesting. I might use this in a future video. It's by Color Stay, and they're all nudes. They're lipsticks, but they call it a lip tattoo, and it's supposed to last for 10 hours. So it's supposed to be like a stain. So you put it on and then you peel it off, and it's supposed to stay on for 10 hours. So I am really curious about this. Let me know if you'd like to see a video with me doing this. Putting it on, peeling it off, and so on. That just sounds so interesting to me. Doesn't it sound interesting? So yeah, let me know if you would like me to do a video on that. And then I've always been very artistic my whole life. I remember my first thing I ever drew was the Charlie Brown characters and stuff like that. So I bought this at Five Below, and it says sketch on it. But I love it because it's a marble look and it's so cool. And I just opened up the plastic right before I started filming because I hadn't even felt what the paper felt like, but it's good quality. So yeah, I'm gonna see about drawing again. So that'd be kind of cool, start sketching again. So yeah, that's from Five Below. Let me get one other thing that's too big to, that it didn't fit in the bag, so let me get that really quick. Okay, so I got this at Five Below. Isn't this just the cutest little stool? It's like terry, not terry cloth, but it's that furry material, and I love it, and I have it in here, so when Petrova comes in here, she loves to sit on it. I left this hanging there, but isn't that just adorable for $5? It can be a footstool, or it can just be a stool for little kids to sit on, but I think it is adorable. Okay, so this is the main thing that I wanted to make the video about, the haul about, was about Platinum Skincare's products. So I got this box first. I got this one a couple months ago, and I just keep forgetting to make the video, but I'm gonna need my magnifying glass. So she asked me if there was anything else that I needed to try, Jennifer from Platinum Skincare. She's the owner, and she contacted me and asked me if there was anything else that she could send me that I've been wanting to try, and I said, well, do you have anything for old acne scars, like pot marks? Because I have pot marks right here, and it usually only shows like when you're outside and the sun is hitting you a certain way, you'll see the little divots. And she says, yes, I do have something for that. So she sent me, it's called Super Cop 2X Extra Strength Strong Skin Remodeling Cream. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit more reading about this and how to apply it and stuff, but it's supposed to help with the pot marks. So that's what this looks like. So I'm gonna probably be doing this for a future video. Let me know if y'all would be interested in seeing a video like this. And then I also told her that I was interested in some type of vitamin C serum because I hear that that's really good for collagen reproduction and just for your overall look of your skin and for fine lines and wrinkles and stuff like that. So, oh, she sent me some more Fade Bright. I didn't know she sent me more of this. She sent me a little tiny size. Instead of the big bottle that she sent me before, she sent me a little tiny one. That's cute. So I think this is probably the C stuff. Yeah. So yeah, she sent me this one right here. It's called High Octane Vitamin C Concentrate. So she sent me this. So I'm going to be trying this on a video really soon too. And I'll probably be adding this to my, depending on when I'm supposed to use it, I haven't read up on it yet. I'll either add it into my morning or my nighttime routine. And if you haven't seen that video, at the end of the video, I'll put 2 thumbnails. You can click on them. I'll do my morning routine and my night routine, and you can just click on those and watch them. But I might be inserting this and this into my morning or night routine, so I'm excited about that. Let's see what this looks like. I love her packaging too. I love that it's white because it looks so pretty on the bathroom counter. So this is what it looks like when it's all sealed up. No smell, but it's kind of like a gel type. It looks kind of like a gel. Yeah, so I'm excited to try that. So that's vitamin C. And then I got this box a couple weeks ago. So she sent me this one right here. And she sent me some retinol, which I already have some. She had already sent me some, but she sent me some more retinol. This is what this looks like, and this is really good for your skin as well. It's not as strong as Retin-A, but before I started using Retin-A, I was using this. And now that I'm done with my TCA peels, I did a whole series of 7 peels. I started the Retin-A. And so at first I was just using the Retin-A once a week. And on the days I wasn't using it, I would use the retinol because it's not as strong. And then I did the once a week with the Retin-A for a couple weeks, and then I went to 2 times a week with the Retin-A, and in between the days that I wasn't doing the Retin-A, I would use this, and so on. And now I'm doing the Retin-A 3 times a week, and when I'm not using it, I use this, of course, and I shared all that with you in my nighttime routine, I believe. But eventually, I want to graduate up to using the Retin-A every night. And then once a year, I'll do the TCA chemical peels. And so yeah, this right here is really, really handy for that. And if you think Retin-A is too harsh or whatever, this is a good alternative, retinol. And I have a link down below. I always have a link on every single video for Platinum Skincare. And I've got a discount code for 10% off, so it saves you money and it makes me a little bit of a commission when you guys use the discount code. So, oh, there's something tiny. I hadn't seen what this is. What is this? Diamond Dermabrasion, massage in circular motion 1 to 2 minutes. What is it? It's a dermabrasion. I wonder if it's like, so is that like an exfoliator then? I didn't even see that. Ooh, it looks very creamy. I'm gonna just, oh yeah, you can feel the little, you can feel like little, what would you call it? Like little beads in there. Cute! Little tiny package, that's so cute! Okay. Okay, now what is this? This is, this is what we already talked about. Okay, so the other thing in here is, wait. Oh no, she sent me more vitamin C. I didn't know that. Here's the other one from the first box, and here's the one from the second box. Oh, she sent me more, so I've got 2 of these. When this one runs out, I'll have another one. So yeah, that's what that is. And then this, ooh, I'm so excited to try this. I'm going to be trying this really soon. She says it's really fun to do. It's a bubble mask. So yeah, it's bubble therapy, oxygenating, antioxidant, balancing mask. So this seems really fun. I haven't opened it up. I'll do that on the day that we try it together, but I'll take you in the bathroom and we will be trying this mask, either in the bathroom or right here. I don't know. But yeah, that's my haul. And so I'm wanting to do more skincare type videos. Let me know if that's something that you would be interested in. Or do you like the makeup videos, or do you just want a little bit of everything? I'm noticing, because of course I want to see what it is that you guys want to see. That's what I want to upload, is what y'all are interested in. So I've been kind of looking at which videos has the most views, and it seems like the videos that have the most views are the ones that I'm doing skincare, like the TCA peels or my morning routines and my hauls, my try-on hauls, and I think I've only done 1 or 2 try-on haul, so I'll have to be doing more of those. But let me know if that really is what y'all want to see. Is it more skincare that you want to see, or makeup, or a little bit of everything? Vlogs, makeup, everything. So let me know, because I only want to put up what you guys want to watch. I don't want to waste your time or mine by putting up content that y'all aren't even interested in. So okay, that's everything, guys. I think. Oh no, I bought myself a purple lipstick because I'm going to be doing the Norvina look soon. So I bought myself a purple lipstick. Let me grab that. Let me see who it's by. Okay, so I bought this one right here. It's by Maybelline. It's number 830, and the name of it is Violet Vixen. So this is what it is. I'm going to do the Norvina eyeshadow palette, and it has a lot of purples and pinks in it. So I thought, ooh, I need a purple lipstick. Not too purple, but I want a little purple shade. So this is what it is right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's the shade. Let me put it right here in case you can't see that. That's what it looks like, so I can't wait to try that. Hope it's not too dark, because you know me, I don't go for dark lipsticks usually. I usually like nice neutral nudes and stuff. So okay, that truly is my haul now. So okay, like I said, let me know down below the types of videos that you want me to make. Do you want it more skincare, more makeup, more whatever? Let me know down below. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye-bye. Mwah. Besitos.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.